Which of the following angle corresponds to sp2 hybridization? sp2 hybridization is always 120 degree means because that is M metal 1, 2, 3. So this is 123. So 360 degree by 3 we are getting 120. The electronic configuration of three elements A, B, C on the basis answer the question on the basis of electronic configuration. Compound A is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and B is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3 and C electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Here 2s2, 2p6, 8 electrons. Here 3s2, 3p3, 5 electrons, last valence shell. Here 3s2, 3p5, 7 electrons. 7 electrons means that is halogens. 5 electrons means nitrogen family. 8 electrons means noble gases. So let us see this. So neon will have the 10 electron. Neon is 10. So totally it is 10. So let us see. Find the stable form of A may be represented in the formula A or A2 or A3. So the 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Valence shell, it has 8 electrons. It has a stable electronic configuration of neon. So what? No bond formation. So stable electronic configuration is A. Completely filled electronic configuration. Here it is a partially filled, it is a incompletely filled. So they are unstable, but as when you compare to partially filled and half filled and a completely filled will be given a priority to the completely filled orbital. So A is a completely filled orbital, no bond formation. Stable electronic configuration. Stable form of Cl may be represented by the formula of Cl, Cl2, Cl3 or Cl4. Because chlorine has an atomic number 17, right? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So 7 plus 10, 17 electrons. This is the valence shell electron, that is 7 electron. It need one more electron to attain a stable electronic configuration. So that is called electron affinity. It has one electron it takes, so that is form Cl2. Molecular formula of the compound formed from B and C will be Bc, B2C, Bc2, Bc3. Boron and carbon. Very sorry. This is generally they have given a B and C. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. That is 2 plus 3, 5 valence electron. Need 3 more electrons to attain a stable electronic configuration of octet rule. And here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5, 7 electrons. So here need a one more electron to attain a stable electronic configuration of octet rule of 8 electrons. So B is a need a 3, that is the valency 3. Carbon is 1, just cross multiplication. So B and C3 is the formula. So bond between and B and C, whether ionic or covalent or hybridization or a coordinate bond. So same electronic configuration, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Totally it has 15 electrons. Here 10 and here 5, 15 electrons. It is P block phosphorus. Here it is a 10 and here 7, 17 electron. That also P block, it is nothing but chlorine. So both are non-metals. So among the given species, identify the. Thanks for watching, students.